Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold speaking, co-founder, patroning partner, along with Bob Iacino. Bitcoin continued to sell off, paused briefly at our 81.14 level. You see there, and then going back through our 8,034, and we were watching the 8,000, getting would it get all the way down to a low of 79.45. Hope then you updated. This was the pausing bar right now. Right now, I'm just going to go down here to give you the next levels. If you see from here, our next key level was about 79.32. So on a little move down below 79.45, 79.32 is a minor level. But let's go look at the major levels now. We're deeply oversold, so I would be expecting some kind of either pause and sideways move or a retracement move. So a retracement move, first key level of support would be about 80 to 8100. Then we'd be watching about 8200 for retracements. Next down push, as I said, minor 7900. Then we go to 7834. Then we have a sort of a wide cluster here, 7723 to 7753. So that's your next major cluster area. Let's take a look at that daily to get the bigger picture. So you see still clearly below the rotation zone, trying to now form a quadruple bottom. So don't have any stats on a quadruple bottom, but if we get a close pretty much below that 77.23, then we'll start watching for 73.55 and 69.57. Top of the rotation zone, which is a very key area of resistance now, is at 84.85. So on any rally, any strong rally, that is the level to watch. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also selling off. We had a cluster area of 172.30 to 173, poking down there and pausing right now. You see moving sideways, enabling us to update our GAN levels lower. First, let's look at the retracement. So on any retracement, I'm going to be watching about 177.50. We have that little support shelf right there, and it's just inside the rotation zone. And then I'll be watching about 180 for any rallies based off the 4-hour chart. Now, as this 8 comes down, watch to see if price breaks. This is also very, very oversold, so it can, remember, to get out of overbought or oversold, we either drift sideways or we do a retracement in the rotation zone and rotate back down. Right now, it is drifting sideways, so when it starts drifting sideways, I start to watch what happens as the 8 catches up. I start watching for a strong break lower. Below 172.18, we'd be watching for 168.99, so essentially 169, and then 165.80. Taking a look at the daily chart for Ethereum. So you see here, rotation zone still very flat. On any rally, I just watched this. This was prior resistance, then support. So now it's back to resistance, about 180 again. That 180 number is to watch for. That's the main focal point right now. If we did get through it, I'd be watching for about 187. See here, though, we get a lot of support down here. So if we break down below about 165, there's a lot of support between 163 and 165, a big support zone. So watch for potential reversal patterns down there, or definitely some buyers to possibly step in and give it at least a little support. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.